Today we are going to learn about the difference between ETF and index funds. This will help you determine the best investment option for you according to your personal goals and aspirations. Industry expert Mr. Gururaj will elaborate on the difference now.
The point here is this question has always been there. So today, if you look at the US mutual fund, a lot of money is going into the ETFs. Right? The expenses are low and all that. Unfortunately, in India, sentiments drives our market more than anything else. So I'm not saying ETF we should not invest in. See, a replica of ETF is our index fund. Now you can ask me what is the difference between an ETF fund and an index fund. ETF, as the name suggests, it is exchange traded fund. But what happens here is you need to have a demat account. It is like trading in stock. Other advantage, same way. Intraday there will be volatility and all that stuff. Right. So you have to constantly monitor. If you are a trader, probably ETF, or even a long-term investor, it's okay. But the point is, I can come through an index fund instead. Right. I need not look at all this intraday fluctuation and all. I will get at the end of the day one NAV. So I can definitely. So we have a lot of index funds today and everything. Yeah. So instead of ETF, I will say because I don't need a demat account. So index fund could be another better option. But somebody who already has a demat account or a stock trading account, you can trade an ETF also. I'm not saying no to it. Now the point is because there is another disadvantage. Right? You will see that when you withdraw the money, that is where the challenge will come in case of one is the discounted price you will get. You will realize when markets are down. Even if it is up also, you will still not get that value. You will always charge you something. So which is not the case, though you say that mutual fund expenses is more and all that. The reality, when you go and sell, you will find what is the cost you are paying. Point number one. Point number two is when especially falling market, you will not find a buyer or the price will be really bad. You will be forced to sell. All those problems are not there when it comes to the index fund. Yeah. Now the point is, should I invest in so I have given you enough information to decide ETF is better or index fund is better. Whether I should invest in index fund or active fund where the expenses are. That is where I will say that because our market is still not mature, you can still invest in some active funds. I mean, ultimately, see, for today, if my small cap fund is giving a 30% return, what is 2% expenses against that? Nothing. So the point here is we can't look at just expenses. You should also see what is the kind of return you are able to generate over a long term. That is where I still believe that our market has not reached to that optimum level where there is no scope of sentiments to come and play. So that is the situation. I would have said the index. Otherwise, I will say that boss have some part of your portfolio in these active funds also. And if you still believe fund manager can go wrong and all that stuff, I don't want to take the risk. Today we have enough number of index funds in each of these categories. You can definitely allocate. But from a long point of view, I'll still say have some money in these kind of active funds. Don't put all your money in only index funds. That is my suggestion.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.